Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair like this. Today we have in here from Ishowbeauty hair. They sent me their ginger blonde 26-inch wig. I'm gonna put a video up here of how the hair looked before I customized it. This hair is so pretty, y'all. Like, look at the color. Like, it came this color. Like, oh my gosh. Anyways, this hair is so freaking pretty. I really just love it so much. This color is so different. I cannot wait to like stunt and take some pics with this hair on, because this hair is very much giving. It's giving Keisha Cole. Like,
first of all, let me say, you can't accuse me of all the things you know that you are guilty.
It's really giving Keisha Cole. Y'all cannot tell me it's not giving Keisha Cole. We're bringing it back. But anyways, let me stop talking because I'm talking a little too much. If you guys want to know how I got my hair looking all popping like this with the edges and all, just make sure to keep on watching this video.
My loves, I already cleaned my forehead off with the alcohol. I feel like you guys see me do it all the time. Y'all know like the routine. So yeah, and this is the wig. So pretty. I tinted the lace with the Ebin lace tint spray, and I just plucked it. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I just plucked and hot combed it real quick. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting on the Ebin lace glue. This is their, what is this? Their Extreme Firm Hold Lace Wig Adhesive. I'm going to put this in my description box, so make sure y'all check that out. And I'm going to be using the Got To Be High Insta Hold Hairspray. Never tried it before, but I heard good reviews about it, so yeah. And like always, I'm going to just be going in sections. I'm going to start with the front and then the sides, so y'all are just going to be seeing me do that. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get to it. Do it on high heats and the highest speed. Spray around and wrap my hair with elastic band. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry my hair for about 3 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and just go into curling my hair, and then we're going to be right back. And we're going to see how our hair melted. I don't know. but like right now it's giving. It's giving right now. It's giving. Anyways, for the edges, I'm gonna just take some hair about this much, give it a little C curve. Like a lot much. I feel like a lot much is good. Take my hot comb and just comb the rest of the hair back. And just make sure this is flat, but don't burn your forehead. Then I'm gonna take a little chunk from over here and do the same. Alright. Alright. So now we got that. The other side, of course. Just now. I cut them. Well, I start cutting them by like the top arch of my eyebrow. I guess if that makes sense. That's where I want to cut it. And then down here, I guess I end at the end of my ear. So I just go like that. I don't know, y'all. Just look. So, yeah. Curl my edges. So I'm just go ahead and take my spray again and just spray my brush and just start doing my baby hairs. I'm gonna take a nice chunk. Video. That's all I gotta say. I don't like my makeup today. Like, it's not hitting. Like, it's not hitting this thing. I don't know what's going on. I feel off. Look at that! Oh my god. Hold up, let me fix my color. Y'all, that looks so good. Alright, let's go ahead and comb the other one.